Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is LARS, an efficient and scalable location aware recommender system. The main contribution of the process is to find out the location and distance between the source and destination using some of the difficult algorithms for finding location aware recommendation. It is very close to querying the user to provide the maximization of the system scalability and reliability. LARS exploits the item location using travel penalty and its techniques that favors recommendation candidates closer in travel distance to querying user in a way that avoid the exhaustive access to all items. And also we calculate the goal distance, time and position of the objective. Then to produce the recommendation or to spatial distance, we will propose location aware recommendation system that uses location based rating based on the user's queries. The expected outcome must be recommendation based on spatial rating on different location. The information filtering system for recommender system are a subclass that outstanding to predict the rating that user query would give to an item. Scalability is the able to system to handle a growing amount of work in a capable manner. Spatial is relating to space and the relationship of objects within it. It also calculates the spatial and also the temporal data. Efficiency is the ratio of the work done by a system, which is the user's query given by the users. Then based on the user's query, we can give the recommendations for the referred distance or location. Now we discuss about the flow of the project. Initially collect the data from the data set as a predefined data set such as a spatial and temporal data set. Based on this, we can process the further implementations. Initially we take the spatial temporal data set and then loaded into the database, then the database are pre-processed, then find out the nearest distance based on the Euclidean distance. Using Euclidean distance we can calculate the distance between the source and destination path. Then time calculations are evaluated based on the system between the source and destination, how much time to taken to reach the source to destinations. Based on this time calculation and also the space distance between the source and destination, we can select the location selection. In location selection, we can select the source and destination. Then we can get the spatial distance between that source and destination and the time also for the corresponding distance. Based on this, we can recommend the location for the user based on their user scoring. Demo of the project. Initially select the home.java, right click on the home.java, then select run file to execute the file. Click home page, then select the dataset. Click load dataset. These are the data considering spatial and temporal dataset. Click attributes. These datasets are pre-processed dataset and their pre-processed datasets are updated into the database. Extract the regions, then the corresponding latitude, that is X regions and Y regions. These are updated into the recent position. These are the distance formula what we do for the first person. Then calculate the correlation between these latitude and longitude regions for each of the source and destination path. Click view button to view the distance calculated using correlation coefficient factors. Then we can find the uniform regions. initially we get the all regions from the database, then identify the uniform region based on the similarity between that latitude longitude, and identify non-uniform region. These are considering the dissimilarity between the regions. These are the formula for PDF values, and extract the region based on PDF formula. Predict regions PDF values are calculated, then we can calculate distance estimation. These are undergoes under regional pass, then we calculate the spatial distance. This takes some more times based on the. In this we can calculate the x and y axis, that is latitude and longitude regions, then give the equivalent distance for that spatial distance. Spatial distance are calculated, then that calculated values are updated into the database. These are the regions we can calculate it from that. Time calculations between the source and destination parts. The consecutive time taken calculated, click OK. Then the calculated times are loaded into the database. Here click source region and destination region, select source, then destination, fetch path and the intermediate. Accuracy calculations between the spatial and the average temporal time. Source values and destination values give the accuracy calculations between the spatial and temporal time, which shows the accuracy between the distance calculated from the source and destinations and the corresponding time evaluated for that source and destination. Then click efficiency. This efficiency shows the overall data, then the accurate distance between the individual data which is present in the spatial temporal data set. Then click time taken, which compared with existing and proposed, which shows the less time to travel. We can find out the less level, that which shows the time accuracy between the existing and proposed system. then click distance button, which shows our this is our source, then this is our destination, what are we chosen in the frame. This shows the distance taken for that both of the source and destination.
Thank you.